This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, your AP Physics homework. This is AP Physics homework number 2.1, question number 7. It says a car traveling in a straight line has a velocity of plus 5.9 meters per second. Well, I know that that's my initial velocity is positive 5.9 meters per second. When I see it, I write it down. After an acceleration of 0.65 meters per second squared, I might as well stop and write that down. My acceleration is 0.65 meters per second squared. The car's velocity is positive 9.1 meters per second. So my final velocity is 9.1 meters per second. In what time interval did the acceleration occur? So what I'm doing is I'm looking for a time. The equation that relates time, final velocity, acceleration, and initial velocity is that acceleration is my final velocity minus my initial velocity divided by the time it takes. I'm looking for time, so I'm going to rearrange this and solve for time. Multiply by t, divide by a. I wind up with time equals final velocity minus initial velocity to give me change in velocity divided by acceleration. So my time is going to be my final velocity of 9.1. Be careful there, that's my final velocity. Minus my initial velocity, v0, is 5.9 meters per second. That's all divided by my acceleration of 0.65 meters per second squared. So when I do that math, making sure to subtract these and hit enter before dividing by that, I'm going to get a number. And since these are all standard units, then my time is going to be in the standard units of seconds. But you can check out those units if you want and work them through. You'll find that the units wind up to be seconds.